welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like what you see, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because we do this every Thursday and Sunday. And lately, we've been doing quite a bit of Shop MISSA because I've been getting a lot of Shop MISSA things and they've been having really good sales. So first of all, not my fault. They make great products, amazing prices, even better sales. This package isn't as big as my last one. So, and this one actually took a long time to get to me. So we'll go ahead and open this. Should be pretty quick here. Oh, bag, eat. It comes in this really cute little package that they've like, I don't know if they created it or what. It's bubble wrap, right? But all my stuff is inside of here. Secure. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm amazed. And it only deflates. Oh my god, it opens. That's it? Yes. Okay, so it opens. It was sealed and then I had opened it. You just watched me. But little bag. Pull them out like this with the bag fully inflated, or as I learned last time, take some tweezers. Poke it so the bag is no longer inflated. Smells girly. And now we have ourselves a bag. Pretty neat if you ask me. I mean, hell, you could have just shipped it like this. You didn't need the extra pretty bag on top of it, but I'm cool, whatever, Shop MISSA. Let's see. What is this? Aww. Okay, so I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 items. So I supposedly ordered 16 items. I did get this little card here that says, oops. One or more of your items have sold out. Unfortunately, we're unable to ship them to you at this time. Below will be provided you with a discount code to use off your next order. That's pretty cool. Huh. Okay. I mean, it still looks like I got a pretty fair amount in here. So let's take a look and see what I actually got. First thing I'm going to pull out is this huge straw. Pretty cool. I actually have quite a few of these. None this long though. And I don't have any with this little rubber top on it. So that'll be good. I figure for me, someone who likes to just go in and I don't look, I hit my teeth a lot. My teeth a lot. I don't know why you needed the visual, but I hit my teeth a lot, and this was only $1. And I see these at like gift shops, stores, I don't know, here and there, and they want like $6 just for this little guy by himself. You know how much I got it for on Shop MISSA? About $1. Probably less, I don't know. Then, okay, these are cute. I'm gonna pull these out. I got, how many of these? 2? Just 2? Yeah. Okay, so far I only see 2 of these. One of them is a black mask and the other one is this really cute pink floral mask, which I'm gonna need because the Rona isn't going away anytime soon, because here in America we don't know how to social distance, stay away from each other, etc. Each of those is $1. Then, ooh, I wanted to try this one just because I hear with my blue-green eyes, blue mascara is supposed to really help them pop. And it's $1. It says right here, $1 from AOA Studio. Yeah. Oh, did I only get one? Yeah. Yeah, it was just one. That's cool. Oh, actually, so blue mascara. And I just noticed I got the little straw cleaner too to go with my straw. I have a couple of these and I absolutely love them. I used to use just like the little arts and crafts pipe cleaners before, and those did okay, but I like these because the bristles are a bit stronger, so I feel like they grab onto whatever is left in my straw. Does a better job, I think. Anyway, what's next? Oh, this is cute. Let me show you. Headband! Cute. Really simple. I like I don't really wear headbands like at all, but I like headbands when I'm doing videos or tutorials or what have you. Oh, it's kind of tight. But I like it so I can pull my hair back. It's up out of my face and it could still be down and do its own thing, which is totally cool with me. Do what you want. Then, ooh, I got these. These are actually going to be a gift. These are also headbands. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 for $1. Oh, in case I forgot to mention, this was $1 too. $1. 4 of these for $1. I have this adorable little one whose hair has grown out quite a bit and it hangs in their face a lot, so these come in handy, but they also lose them quite frequently, so these are really helpful. I grabbed these two. Again, only $1. $1. Ooh, okay. These, I already have some, but I don't know why I stocked up. Maybe because I don't have these ones already. But I got these little sanitizers. There's an apple, a strawberry, and a lemon. I can't see, you're so bright. I'm gonna assume you're a lemon. I'm assuming this is a lemon, this is strawberry, and then this is apple. Teeny tiny little things. They're about the size of the Bath and Body Works ones. So I've gotten a couple of them, given them away to a few people, and instead of them paying the $6 for the Bath and Body Works one, they just pop one of these little guys in their little holder. Same thing. And they're each $1. $1. $1. $1. Ooh. Okay, these I got because these look really cute. And again, they're only $1. They're cute little temporary tattoos. I really have to go back and figure out what I was buying for at the time, because I want to say there had to have been some kind of sale or something. I don't know. Packages just show up and I open them, and usually I love what's inside of them. So I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. But cute little lotus temporary tattoos. These are adorable. And they're only $1. Ooh, these are cute. And they come in their own little bag. Okay. Yeah. You can kind of see them. I mean, that's good that they kept them separate, but these were $1. In case you didn't get the theme of Shop Miss A, $1. These are adorable little heart rainbow earrings. They're little studs. I haven't been wearing earrings for the longest time, so I figured since these are $1, I'll give them a try. I know I have really sensitive ears, so I can't wear them all day, but I can wear them most of the day, so that'll be helpful. Then, ooh, what are you? Oh, I think this is why I bought things. So this is from AOA Studio, and it is a transparent primer. Minimizes pores, BLUR-FECTION, velvety finish. This reminds me of the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And as you might be able to tell up here, and I don't know if you've heard me before, it's only $1. $1. So I grabbed this. I'm definitely going to be giving this a try. I have so many things from AOA Studio I need to put on my face. We're going to do it. It's going to happen. Like, if you weren't already sick and tired of my Shop Miss A videos already, I'm probably going to make a playlist, and I'm probably going to make that video for that playlist as well. Just as a heads up. I'm looking forward to it. You maybe not, because this is a lot. But it's only $1. $1. Except for this. This is a charity edition Sugar Fix lip scrub. What? In watermelon. Duh, because there's little watermelons. So this is actually a product that is a little more than $1, because part of the cost actually goes towards a charity. And it'll show you on here. It's $1.55. And then let's see here. Part of the proceeds go to protection against animal abuse. So that is really neat. I'll tell you up here in the corner, and then a little thing down here. I've been using, what is it, the Bite Beauty Sugar Lip Scrub, and I feel like there's more, I don't know, filler in there than there is the actual scrub. So I'm hoping this is going to be a little bit different. That was probably like $15 at least, and this is only $1.55. So I'm gonna see how they stack up against each other. Should be interesting. And last, ooh, we have 2 brushes, both of them from AOA Studio. Cute. Both of them from AOA Studio. Oh, one is an E11, the other one is an E22. They're both eye brushes and they both look like they're packer brushes. So that is pretty neat. Each $1. And their brushes are actually pretty good. I have quite a few of like the larger face brushes and they are amazing. I think 2 of them right now are my go-to and I need to wash them. But I love them, so I don't want to see them missing for too long, you know. Anyway, that is it for my Shop MISSA mini haul I have going on here. I'm pretty sure this whole thing was purchased so I could get this, and then I purchased the remaining products just so I could get free shipping, because I do that. But I like everything, so yeah, this is pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and leave you on that note. If you have not checked out Shop MISSA already, please head on over there because everything is $1. Worst case scenario, you try something, you don't like it, it was $1. Versus you go to Sephora, you try something, you don't like it, you still got to pay off that small loan you took out. Yeah, not fun times. No. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I will catch you next time. Remember, we do this every Thursday, Sunday. Bye.